Imagine having access to a secured, high-return investment platform that, until recently, has been reserved for the investing elite. Imagine your investment being actively managed by individuals with unparalleled experience in the industry.
Hello.
We are Walnut Street Finance, a private real estate lender with over 20 years of real estate development experience. Each day, we lend money to builders and developers so they can bring their projects to life. That's where you come in. Through our fund, now you can invest in these real estate loans also. But how do you know if a real estate deal is a good one? That's where we come in. We know the market, we know the developers, and we're hands-on with every project. Investing with Walnut Street Finance means your money is always working, spread across several deals, and monitored closely every step of the way. Our process is streamlined and effective. We underwrite each project, get to know our borrowers, and visit each property in person. We identify the highest quality investments, rejecting the unqualified projects along the way. Because our loans are secured first lien real estate loans, they're collateralized by hard assets. Additionally, your investment has a 20% or greater cushion against loss, securing your money even further. You see substantial returns while our builders and developers grow their businesses and finish their projects on time and budget. We consistently update you on your portfolio so you can sit back, relax, and know what to expect. Consistent high returns relative to risk on each dollar invested. So what are you waiting for? Invest in security. Invest for competitive returns. Invest with Walnut Street Finance.